Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Guys, you will not believe it. Today, the most bullish news, the craziest news I have since I started 8 years ago for Bitcoin has been breaking literally a few minutes ago for Bitcoin. For altcoins, it's a different story. And don't get me wrong, I'm holding some altcoins also. I hold mostly only Bitcoin, but I am holding some altcoins. But listen to this. As bullish as the news are, which I'm about to share with you for Bitcoin, as I want to understand them as bearish for altcoins, but don't get me wrong, I have positions open. I will tell you exactly how I'm going to hedge my positions. But this news is crazy and I did not expect it like this to happen. Let's go straight into it, guys. Please share this video with your friends. Share it on WhatsApp, Twitter, Telegram, wherever. I see these backlinks on my analytics on YouTube. I truly appreciate it. It helps to spread the news. And of course, like this video, because today's video is certainly a very, 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 very special one. I want to go into the details because a new executive order was just signed by President Donald Trump. And the wording is very important. I am not really telling you yet what the wording is because I want to go into the executive order and tell you exactly what it says. But listen to this, first of all. Donald Trump just now signed an executive order for a Bitcoin reserve. Today, President Donald J. Trump signed an executive order to establish a strategic Bitcoin reserve and U.S. digital asset stockpile, positioning the United States as a leader among nations and governments of digital asset strategy. Well, sounds great, right? For Bitcoin, for crypto, basically. Well, let's go straight into it. And I want to talk about my trades and everything. Wait for it, yeah? We are still having here this potential break coming for Bitcoin. Let's wait for it. Today is the White House Crypto Summit. I want to go into the executive order on the website of the White House and tell you exactly what it says. Because the wording is very, very important here. What you can see, the order creates a strategic Bitcoin reserve that will treat Bitcoin as a reserve asset. The strategic Bitcoin reserve will be capitalized with Bitcoin owned by the Treasury that was forfeited. So, you know, all of these Bitcoin which were confiscated, they are going in there. But it's important to understand everything. It says the United States will not sell Bitcoin deposited into this reserve. So now it sounds like, okay, they only put the confiscated ones in and they are not selling that. We knew that already. Well, listen closely, guys. Here, the Secretary of Treasury and Commerce are authorized to develop budget-neutral strategy for acquiring additional Bitcoin, imported additional. So they are planning to have a reserve where they are not selling any Bitcoin, where the confiscated Bitcoin go inside, and where they are putting additionally purchased Bitcoin in, provided that those strategies impose no incremental cost on American taxpayers. Well, if you're American, that's great, right? But if you're outside American, not that important, but of course it makes sense. But now listen, this is very interesting now. This is a two-sided sword. You have the Bitcoin reserve and you have the digital asset stockpile. While the Bitcoin reserve is a real reserve where they are not selling and actually accumulating more Bitcoin, and that's only Bitcoin. Everything for like US-based altcoins, Cardano, Solana, XRP, and all of these ones, the stockpile, they are clearly dividing in between both of those. And I think MicroStrategy, Michael Saylor, maybe he did some good lobbying for Bitcoin over there, but who knows? Here they are saying, listen, the government will not acquire additional assets for the US digital asset stockpile beyond those obtained through forfeiture proceedings. That means Bitcoin, yes, altcoins, no. I'm the first one to tell you, at least that's how you can read it there. That means this news is extremely bullish for Bitcoin. And it's actually because of the expectations which already went into that US-based altcoins. And I'm telling you now before the market is even reacting. But who knows what's going to happen, right? I can't predict how the people will react to this news or if they even understand. But I think it's bearish for altcoins. I think it's bearish for altcoins. That's what I'm telling you right now. And that's why I will hedge my bets on my altcoin trades, and you can see they reacted a little bit already. My Bitcoin trade profitable. My XRP trade is 25% in a loss. I may take some profits over there, and I might take the profits on Sui, which are still covering the XRP loss. Solana, I might take some profits. Yeah, and then Ethereum and Bitcoin I might keep open, because yeah, Ethereum is of course still an altcoin basically in the eyes of the United States, but that's a very long-term trade. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about that. Share this video with your friend. This is an extremely important one. We need to get the news out there. Wow, I'm mind blown. It's finally happening, and yeah, I want to know your thoughts down below in the comment section. We are going to see each other very soon at the next of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.